Dan from Warhammer Spear Guns. If you're wondering why a spear gun company is producing content about variable frequency drives, it's because I just had to rebuild my CNC mill. It's a 3-axis, 4 foot by 8 foot, and the variable frequency drive went bad, so I had to replace it. The replacement was this unit here, which is widely available. Pretty inexpensive unit from Amazon. I think I paid like $85 for the unit. It does come with an instruction manual on how to wire it and get it to run, but what it doesn't really explain is how to get MACH3 software to control the speed of the spindle. So using their operations manual, which comes with the unit, is a little bit difficult. It doesn't really say directly how to make this happen. So what you end up with is trying to go through their instructions, which are not greatly translated into the English language, and trying to figure it out. After about 2 weeks of trying, I was able to get it. The videos that are available online refer to the previous version of this variable frequency drive. So the instructions aren't one-to-one. There are some differences. So what I did here is I wrote down what my settings were to get my FC01 series variable frequency drive to run with the MACH3 software, and having the software being able to control the speed through the G-code. So you can see here, these are all pretty basic. The one big thing that had to be discovered was the P00.06 setting. This is the one that tells the frequency drive which one of the inputs is going to be setting the speed for the spindle. Where this becomes really confusing is the user's manual uses analog input AI, AI1, AI2. It also refers to the analog input terminal on the variable frequency drive as AI. So AI is used twice. One is the analog input terminal. It's also the digital potentiometer, or the knob, on the variable frequency drive. So if you set the 00.06 to the 1, the way that I had interpreted it the first time was that AI1 on that setting meant that it was going to be looking at the analog input terminal, and really what that means, it's going to be looking to the knob on the front for the frequency setting. If you set if you set P00.06 to 2, then it will use, so setting it to 2 will set it to AI2, which means that it's going to be looking at the 0 to 10 volt input on the frequency drive, which is supplied from the breakout board, usually connected to MACH3, connected to your software, that then sends out all the commands to your motors. I hope this helps if you've gotten one of these drives and you've had issues getting it to respond to commands from MACH3. These are the proper settings. Good luck.